Warm greetings to everyone. My name is Shalini Singh and I am a student of B.Ed second semester in Inspiration College of Teacher Education, Kathgodam, Haldwani. The topic of my presentation for Pedagogy of Mathematics is Gauss's contribution to mathematics. Gauss is often considered as one of the most important and productive mathematicians of all time. Gauss's complete name is Johann Carl Friedrich Gauss and he was a German mathematician and physicist. उनकी लाइफ के बारे में ब्रीफली बात की जाए तो ही वॉज बॉर्न on 30th of April 1777 in the city of Brunswick, Germany. He belonged to a family of poor working class citizens. His father was Gebert Dietrich Gauss and mother Dorothea Gauss, जो कि एक इलिटरेट लेडी थी. गॉस ने अपने लाइफ टाइम में मैथमेटिक्स और मैथमेटिकल फिज़िक्स की फील्ड में ऐसे कई इम्पॉर्टेंट काम किए जिनकी वजह से उन्हें कुछ टाइटल्स मिले. ही वॉज समटाइम्स रेफर्ड टू एज द ग्रेटेस्ट मैथमेटिशियन सिंस एंटिक्विटी एंड द प्रिंस ऑफ मैथमेटिशियंस. On 23rd of February 1855, he died in Göttingen, Hanover, due to heart failure. Coming to his childhood years, Gauss was known as a child prodigy. वो बचपन से ही एक जीनियस थे. He showed unusual talent for numbers and could calculate before learning to speak properly. At the age of about 10 years, he could figure out that to add up numbers from 1 to 100, they can be put into 50 pairs with each pair summing to 101. Then, by simply multiplying 101 by 50, we get the sum of first 100 natural numbers, that is 5050. गॉस ने अपनी हायर एजुकेशन लेने से पहले ही मैथमेटिक्स में काफ़ी कुछ डिस्कवर कर लिया था. At the age of 15 years, he could find a pattern in the occurrence of prime numbers. In the same year, he constructed a regular polygon of 17 sides using a ruler and a compass. गॉस के इस हेप्टाडेकागन की कंस्ट्रक्शन ने ज्योमेट्री और एल्जेब्रा के बीच एक ऐसा रिलेशन दिखाया जिसे एंशियंट टाइम से कई मैथमेटिशियंस जानने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, but they could not succeed. Education of Gauss. गॉस के पेरेंट्स उनकी एजुकेशन अफोर्ड करने में सक्षम नहीं थे, पर ब्रॉन्ज़विक के ड्यूक ने उनकी लोकल एंड हायर एजुकेशन को स्पॉन्सर किया. गॉस बिगन हिज स्टडीज़ इन मैथमेटिक्स एंड एट टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी ब्रॉन्ज़विक. देन ही वेंट टू यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ गॉटिंगन, जहाँ से उन्होंने मैथमेटिक्स में PhD की. एंड देन एट द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेम्स्टेड in 1799. Influences on Gauss. Johann Christian Martin Bartels, जो एक जर्मन मैथमेटिशियंस रहे, वो गॉस के ट्यूटर थे. इसके अलावा गॉस को न्यूटन, ऑयलर एंड लैग्रेंज के काम ने काफ़ी इन्फ्लुएंस किया. गॉस महान ग्रीक मैथमेटिशियन आर्किमिडीज को अपना आइडल मानते थे. गॉस's contribution. Gauss is known best for his contribution to number theory, the theory of functions, geometry, geodesy, probability theory, planetary astronomy, potential theory, and algebra. Also, he explored a lot about electricity, magnetism, the physics of fluids. गॉस ने अपनी लाइफ में फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ एल्जेब्रा को 4 बार प्रूव किया. द थ्योरम दैट स्टेट्स that every polynomial equation has at least one root that is a complex number. He was the first to prove the quadratic reciprocity law. He proved the fundamental theorem of arithmetics. In geometry, about the Gaussian curvature. He was the first person to think beyond the Euclidean geometry, and he believed in the existence of a non-Euclidean geometry. पर उनका ये काम कभी पब्लिश नहीं हो पाया। ऐसे ही उनकी कई और डिस्कवरीज केवल उनकी डायरी तक सीमित रह गई। It is said that had he published all of his works, then mathematics would have been 50 years ahead of what it is today. He discovered that every positive integer can be represented as a sum of at most 3 triangular numbers. Here are mentioned some of the books by him, like General Investigations of Curved Surfaces, a book on investigation in arithmetics that he wrote at the age of 21 years and got published when he was 24, and Theory of Combination of Observation Least Subject to Error. He has won some prestigious awards for his contribution, like the Copley Award and Prize of Danish Academy of Sciences. Coming to his personal life, Gauss got married twice. First with Johanna Osthoff, that lasted till she died in 1809, and the couple had 3 children. After this, he married Johanna's best friend Friederika Waldeck and had 3 children with his second marriage as well. Some of the quotations by Gauss that show his passion towards mathematics and physics. Gauss says, "Mathematics is the queen of science and arithmetics is the queen of mathematics. Astronomy and pure mathematics are the magnetic poles towards which the compass of my mind ever turns." So this was a brief discussion about the life and contribution of the great mathematician Gauss. Thank you.